Welcome to AI Unleashed, your place for innovation, news and all things artificial intelligence. Hit the like button and subscribe.
Researchers develop novel AI-based estimator for manufacturing medicine. When medical companies manufacture the pills and tablets that treat any number of illnesses, aches, and pains, they need to isolate the active pharmaceutical ingredient from a suspension and dry it. The process doesn't require stopping and starting the process, which means the entire job is more secure and more efficient than standard operating procedure. According to George Barbostathis, professor of mechanical engineering at MIT and corresponding author of the study. The machine learning algorithm also does not require many datasets to learn its job, because the physics allows for speedy training of the neural network. This is a pretty big step change, I think, with respect to being able to monitor, in real time, particle size distribution. The company is now working to assess the tool on different compounds in its lab. Over the last 3 years, researchers at MIT and Takeda have worked together on 19 projects focused on applying machine learning and artificial intelligence to problems in the healthcare and medical industry as part of the MIT-Takeda Program. Takeda is a walking distance away from MIT's campus, which allowed researchers to set up tests in the company's lab, and real-time feedback from Takeda helped MIT researchers structure their research based on the company's equipment and operations. Combining the expertise and mission of both entities helps researchers ensure their experimental results will have real-world implications.